channel today, everybody, and we are going to be doing some different stuff. It is the new year. I'm sorry about last week and not getting any content up for you guys. It was just so much going on in my life. I mean, hey, too much partying. That's probably, yeah. Started off the good new year with a good foot, though. I mean, like, had a lot of good time and, you know, smiles and hang out with a lot of cool people. So today we're going to be rebuilding a carburetor, a Quadrajet 750. I think it's a Rochester. It might be a Carter, but either way, I'm good at those Quadrajets. That's kind of what I do, guys. I mean, like, I love carburetors. Yeah. They're just simple. I love fuel injection as well, but for the cost and everything on old cars and all the electronics, I'm not big on electronics, so I'm pretty sure you know that. Well, I love electronics, but you get what I'm saying. So anyway, we're going to do a carburetor, and we're also going to tune the valves on my T-top Camaro, because I think it needs a tuning. So I got to start that, warm it up. Buddy should be here pretty much any moment with his car, or carburetor. I think he's driving his Jeep over, but because it goes on an old Chevy truck, I'm gonna help him tune it. Once he puts it back on, he'll bring it over here. We'll probably do a video on that, how to tune a carburetor, how to get it set up just perfect, because I think I missed the last video of that, working on my buddy's what was that, the Oldsmobile, or no, Buick Wildcat. That's what it was. So okay, guys, the first thing we got to do is start the car. So, drag a little bit out of the way. Hold up. As you guys can hear, I got the lifter tick going on, so that's what we're going to adjust today. Not sure exactly what's going on there, but we're going to figure it out. Okay, guys, so the first thing we want to inspect is our push rods. Just make sure they're not bent or hitting anything. So I checked all that. It looks pretty good. I think we just got a little bit too much valve lash going on here in some of these valves. So definitely got to do some adjustment there. So I got to put my other valve cover on that's just specifically for doing this. Yeah, that's a little loose. I knew something about this side, just didn't sound right when I tuned it. So I hope you guys understand, sometimes when you build a car, you got a lot of tuning to do. And, you know, Adam LZ, I think all of us car builders go through this stuff. And I actually went to school for building cars. So when I built that motor, got about 200 miles on it now, and I'm going like, I gotta readjust those valves now. So, I gotta put the valve cover on. Still waiting on my buddy to find my house, my parents' house at least. And, here we go. Alright, guys, so we got a little bit of valve lash, just a little bit, like I showed you. So I got the valve cover on. We're going to run this real quick. My buddy finally showed up, so we're going to do the carburetor soon. But this only takes like 10-15 minutes, so 5/8 socket, 3/4 inch extension. What we call lifter tick. We're going to start from the back. Actually, we're going to start from the front, so that's what noise is. That's driving me nuts. Bounce there. Hey, we fixed it. pretty close, actually. I think I might have got that roller figured out. Oh, we're getting close. Did I just send that roller? Okay, I think we're right. I think we're good. Sounds good now. That's oil going. All right, folks. Now we're heading to Napa to go get some brake clean. Do some running around real quick. I always forget that we need brake clean before we go start a project like this. I'm already dirty. So, here we go. Alright guys, well, it is past Christmas, and I told you guys I had some cool stuff coming. So, these are the wheels. And I might have to send them back because they're 10-inch wide. And everybody else is running 10s, but my brother seems to think that I need to run 8s. And he's a tire expert. I'm not no tire expert and wheel expert, so. But they are pretty. So now we're going to get to work on building the carburetor. I got some other stuff that I need to show you guys also. Oh, we got the new water temp gauge. So I got to put that in there, so it'll match the other one there. It'll be nice and pretty. And other than that, just other little stuff. So here we go. Alright guys, so here's the carburetor. So the first step is, well, we took the piece of crap, the electronic thing that's on the front. I forget what it's even for, but it don't matter. So the first thing is you got to clean everything up, disconnect this hose, and clean everything up. Make sure the hose isn't bad. Looks good, not cracked. So we're in good condition there.
Just a little vacuum line anyways.
Yeah, and I mean, like, if you guys don't have extra hose sitting around, it's not that hard to find it. I mean, it's really actually pretty simple to find hoses like anywhere. So now we get to building the carburetor. And yes, it's a big mess. Don't light a cigarette.
I thought we got the non-flammable one.
No, I got the flammable too. Pretty clean. It's just one can.
Get the whole can?
Okay.
Is that what we got two?
Yeah.
One for the outside, one for the inside?
Pretty much. And cleaning stuff. Alright folks, so the next part is just taking all the screws out. Okay, now this is the biggest pain in the butt of the whole carburetor, right here. Taking off this top plate, because this little spot right here, let me just show you guys. So this spot right here is really, really tight with this rod. So when you take it off, you kind of have to, hey, this carburetor might be very cooperative. It just came out very easily. So, okay, that made that easy. Okay, so old gasket, junk. Old accelerator pump, junk. And pretty much from here, everything should be kind of set on your float still, as long as you don't mess with anything. So we're just going in here, doing a basic rebuild, cleaning it up, checking jets. That's it. Okay, so the next part, we got everything apart here. There's only a few little pieces we got to replace here. Then we change the spring on the accelerator pump and just clean everything up. A few new gaskets, and that's pretty much all.
Right.
Basically, next step, clean it all out really good. And that's the accelerator pump. Okay, folks, and pretty much put the screws back in and we're done. Guys, we just got the carburetor tuned and everything on the truck. You want to give it a little bit of love? I think it sounds pretty good. But like I said, we might do a lifter adjustment for you can hear some sticking going on there. So okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Did a little bit of tuning on my buddy's car and my car. Nothing on the race car today, but like I said, I got some stuff coming up on this. The wheels, windows, suspension for the rear, and all our safety stuff. So still got a little bit to do, and it's going to be a really exciting year. I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys have a great day.